Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. My name is Annette and this is my first YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be making for you guys Jamaican rum and raisin cheesecake. The reason why I said Jamaican rum and raisin cheesecake, I'm using Jamaican white rum. You can use any white rum you have or any rum you chooses, but I'll be using the Jamaican white rum. But first, I'm gonna preheat my oven for 300. The lower the temperature, less cracked on your cheesecake. Then I'll be adding a water bath under. Not really a water bath. I'm adding this is a roasting pan whenever I'm baking certain cakes that required steam in the oven. I always use this pan. So I'm gonna add it at the bottom of the oven to heat up while the oven is preheat, and this will be in the oven while the cheesecake is baking. Okay. Oh, should I have folded so much? Let's see. Right at the bottom of the oven. Come on, take a look. You see? Mm-hmm. Right at the bottom of the oven. Oh. Okay. I always wear gloves. Why? Because, you know, I have long nails and I hate when my nails get all messed up, and I think I can feel comfortable in the kitchen with my long nails. So, and it always wear a gloves. Okay. I have about 2¼ cups of graham cracker. Guys, I cheated. I did not crush my own graham cracker. I used this graham cracker. Yeah, this is what I'll be using today. And 4 tablespoons melted butter, cooled. Yep, it's cooled. Make sure your graham cracker is all covered with butter. Will it need more butter? Let's see. This is a lot of graham cracker. I might not use all of it. Yep, butter. All my graham cracker with butter. Usually while I'm in the kitchen doing things like this, I'll be singing, dancing. Should I sing and dance, Leaky? Okay guys, I'm using the biggest springform pan. This comes in a set of 3. I'm using the biggest. I don't remember the size. I'll be using the biggest. Greased parchment paper cut out to the bottom. Springform pan. Always use a springform pan when making cheesecake. This will allow the cheesecake to come out much easier. Let's see if I need more. Let's see guys, I'm gonna be using this to flatten and even out the bottom. two boys. They love cheesecake, especially the little one. They all love cheesecake. So now I'm gonna put this in the fridge to cool while I mix the mixture. Okay. Set that in the fridge to cool while now I'm gonna go ahead and mix my cake. 2 500-gram. Where is the 500? Where is it?
Just show the number.
I wanted to.
We already said it.
So this is 2 500-gram of cream cheese. This is gonna be a big cream cheesecake. If you wanna make a smaller one, cut your ingredients in half. Cut this ingredients in half for a smaller cheesecake. If I could just get this open. Okay. Look like I should have used my bigger mixing bowl. What do you think? Okay. I'm gonna use this to rest my. So, 2 500-gram. 1 3/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoon flour. The reason why I'm using 3 tablespoon flour because I have my raisin. This is about 3/4 cup raisin, and I had 3 tablespoons of white rum in the raisin. Even though this raisin was pre-soaked in red wine, any kind of red, fruity, sweet red wine, always soak your raisin, guys. Always soak your raisin. Make your cake or whatever you're baking taste much better. 1.5 teaspoon vanilla, 4 eggs, and I'm gonna be using half of this lemon. So now I'm gonna be mixing my cream cheese. Here. Now I'm gonna be adding the sugar. Let's clean the side of the pan. Always scrape down the side of your pan, guys. Always. Make sure everything is incorporated. I love baking, but I can stand cleaning up after. Okay, I'll be adding my vanilla, my half a lemon. The eggs I'll be adding last because I don't want it to be too fluffy. And my finger as the strainer. I don't want the seeds to go in. Okay. My raisin, with my white rum. And a little flour. I've had the remaining flour in a bit. One egg at a time. One. And that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it. Nice and easy. Easy, 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 easy cheesecake. Okay. Set it right here. I don't want the drippings to go on the counter. Now I'll be getting my pan, and I forgot I needed to add a piece of oil at the bottom of the pan, just in case, because it's a springform pan, just in case any running or leaking, it just catches in this foil paper. Some people make their cheesecake in a water bath, hot water bath. Just bake it at a lower temperature, and to me it comes out very, very good. Lower temperature, longer baking time. There it is. See, guys, you see, that's why I add the raisin in early, because I want the raisin to kind of break up in the mixture. And there it is. Let's even out this raisin. Oh, wait, let me take out the rack. Sorry. It's much easier to take out the rack and set the cake on top. Okay. Longer baking time. So I'll be setting this baking time for about an hour and 45 minutes. Yep. And we'll check it after 1 hour and 45 minutes. If there's a little soft jelly jiggler in the middle, just a little. You don't want it too soft. You just want the middle, just a little jiggle. And then you'll know if it's ready. I'll be back. Okay, this is the reveal of the cake. Look at this, guys. Yeah, it has a little crack right here, but that's okay. See, it moves away from the side of the pan. Okay. Ah. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Rum and Raisin Cheesecake. Jamaican white rum. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn it out and I'm gonna set it in this. So give me a minute and I'll transport it over here. This is the topping for my cheesecake. You can add whatever topping you did like. Whipped cream with a bit of sugar and a tip of rum. Delicious. This is what I use, guys. Strawberry cherry jam, white rum, a bit of sugar, eat it on the stove, and this is for my cake. Because it's rum and raisin cheesecake, I didn't want to cover it too much with a heavy topping, because the rum and the raisin is already, I believe it's already a lot. So here it is. My rum and raisin cheesecake, Jamaican style. So we're gonna have a slice. Always when cutting cheesecake, make sure your knife is warm so that the cheesecake does not stuck to the knife. Ooh, this is a huge slice. One for me. And one for my taster, my son, Jermaine. Jermaine. Time for the taste. Look at this, guys. Look at the raisin. Wow. Nice. It
looks gooey.
Delicious. If you like this video, subscribe, hit your like button, give it a thumbs up, and remember, click that notification so you can always get a video. You can always see my video when I drop the new one. bless Nettie's amazing house. One love, guys.